said it's not multiplayer. Lily, she said multiplayer. Why isn't she letting me join the game? What's happening? Oh no! What's happening? Oh no! Oh, it's so creepy! Oh my gosh! What's happening? Oh, I don't know! What's happening? Oh, it looks like a parakeet. Do you want to go tell Mom? Yeah, I want to go tell Mommy. Okay, we'll go downstairs and tell Mom and see if she knows what's happening. Cause I don't really like it. No, Mommy, Mom! Oh, come on then, girls. Oh, but there's a ghost in the elevator. No, there isn't. Okay, it's not a ghost. It's just a parakeet. It's a parakeet. Mom, the lights are flashing, and why are all the lights turned off? You know, it might be the weather. I just need to go check. I want to see if it is the weather. Oh my god! It's raining so much. It's probably just the rain making we have a parakeet. Okay, guys, it's okay. It's just the rain. Don't be sad. Oh, I think I just realized Dad won't be able to cook with the stove. Oh, he won't be able to cook some dinner for us. Oh, I'm really hungry. I just realized that. Oh, sorry, kids. I can't cook because the stove is not working. We're out of power. Sorry, I can't make pasta. I know you guys were excited. Okay, Mom, I've got my phone. I want to see if the torch works. Okay, let me check. Oh, Mom, it seems like it's out of battery. Oh my gosh, the light's turning on and off. What was that, Mom? I don't know what that was. Is there a ghost? Oh no, I think there might be a ghost. Oh my gosh! What was that noise? I think a monster. Oh my gosh, there's a ghost in my house. Oh, I'm so scared. What was that noise? Oh no. Oh, I think it was so scary, but it was still pretty creepy. Oh no, why's Rose crying? Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so scared, Mommy. I don't want this to happen. What was that noise? It's pretty sure I think it's the rain. I wonder when the storm is gonna be done. Mommy, I'm pretty bored. When can this be over? Just stop the storm. I'm tired. I have a special box for when this happens. But what's in it, Mom? You'll see. I'ma go get it. Okay, so let me just get it. It's in the kitchen on one of the shelves. Let me just check. I think it was in the bottom shelf. Here. Perfect. Torch was left on. Hope it still works. Okay, now let me just get. Oh, Mommy, I'm tired. Don't go sleep. Mom, what is in there? Well, look, it's really cute. So we have these 2 water bottles, 2 chips if we're hungry, and also this. Okay, that's okay. Yeah, it's better than nothing at least. Yeah, definitely, but okay, I guess. I'm tired. Okay, should I take you to bed? Yeah, Mommy. Get my crib. Okay, let me just get your crib. Okay, I got your crib. Okay, here's your crib. That was really quick, really, but yeah. Yeah, I know. Okay, yeah. No, Mom, it's the middle of the night and the lights are up. You can't fall asleep. Now I'm all alone. I'm pretty scared. Mom, wake up, please. I guess I'll have to stay like this. I'm awake. The lights are back on. Yay! The thunderstorm stopped. Yay, bestie! The sun is going soft and the lights are on. I'm so happy. Yappy! The lights are back on. Now no ghosts to come. Oh, I'm so tired. I'm tired. Okay, let me check my followers and my subscribers. Oh my gosh, I'm doing so well. Thank you guys for loads of subscribers. Anyways, I'm making breakfast for my kids, and me and my husband are having different breakfast, so that's why I'm making them first. So, see, I'm just gonna give them waffles because they like waffles, and now I'm just gonna use my phone. Oh, Mom, I like waffles. I want to eat this, I'm so hungry. It tastes so good, Mom. Thank you for these amazing waffles. Oh, I wonder what this is. Is it yummy or not? I want to test if it's yummy. Oh, let's taste it. It tastes so yummy. Yay, I love it. Oh my gosh, it is yummy. Thank you, Sissy, for telling me. Okay, I hope you love my breakfast. Your honey, stop fussing. Your food is in the microwave. Go get it. Oh, anyways, guys, that will be it for today. If you loved the video, and thank you so much for 11.2k subscribers. And we're almost at 1,000 watchers. So, bye, guys. Peace out.